Good morning, guys. I'm here with you to talk about social studies this week. And this week, we're going to actually start putting things into our time capsules. So I have made my time capsule. My box is ready and it says Miss Strickland's time capsule, and I'm ready to start putting things inside. So the first thing that we're going to start is a journal entry. And our journal entry is just going to be a notebook that you're going to write in. Now, there are some paper that your teacher can provide you with if you'd like. But basically, you're just going to pull out a notebook and write down things that are going to be important and things that are different during this time than what would be normal. And I'll show you guys some examples. So every day, you're going to have a journal entry. And then the next part is where you have some options. You can include at least one other artifact from your home. You could choose to do a photograph, a copy of a newspaper article, or an internet source, or even a drawing or painting artwork that's created by you. So let's look at what I'm putting in my time capsule this week. So here's a sample journal entry. It says, "We had a fun day today. Trent and I had a Zoom Sunday school since we can't go to church. It was good to see everyone, but still not the same as in person. We made lunch on the grill while the kids played. I sure do miss going to my parents' house for Sunday lunch. But we're getting more family time due to not being able to have baseball yet. Trent is home a lot more." So I've written down what we did yesterday, which was Sunday. I included how I felt about the changes, and how that we're making the best of this time at home. So be sure to include things that are different than normal, because this is what will help you remember in the future how things were so different during this time period. The other thing that I chose to include this week is a photograph. So this is a photograph of our family during Sunday school. It's hard to keep our kids busy during Sunday school because there's nobody to watch them. If we were really at church, we would Emma Ray would go to her own Sunday school class, and the other kids would go to the nursery. But since there's no nursery service, they're kind of there with us on the couch usually. And also, we didn't have to put on fancy clothes. You can see Eden and Easton are still in their pajamas. I just have a t-shirt on. Trent's wearing a hat. Emma Ray was the only one who got dressed up for the occasion, but we don't have to do that because we're not leaving our house. We're just going to get on during Zoom. But the good side is that we love having Daddy Trent be home more because there's no baseball. So you guys think about what you do each day that's different from your normal. Obviously, you can't go to school, but what else beyond that? Are there any other things that are different? I wrote about not being able to go to my parents' house for Sunday lunch, not being able to go to church for Sunday school. Those are things that are important in my life that have changed and are different now. And I want to be sure to document that in my time capsule. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me or your teacher. I can't wait to see what wonderful things you put in your time capsule. Thanks, guys.